Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Zakia Merah Herifia. You can call me Yaya. I live in Mataram and my hobby is drawing. I really like drawing. That doesn't mean it's my dream. My dream is to become a doctor. Why am I thinking about this job? I believe that I can be a good doctor. Because first of all, I feel the need to help other and feel satisfied when I can help someone. But my ambition is also higher education and education and there are also other reasons that made me become a doctor. I think doctor are interesting and that salary is very high, which is also one of the reasons I want to become a doctor. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.